Subscribe our channel Let's Start and hit the bell icon for our latest video updates.
Hi friends, I am Rohit and you're watching Let's Start, so let's begin. So as we all know, that government of India has banned 59 apps on 29 June, which is getting mixed reaction by the people. And here is the list of 59 Chinese apps which have been banned by the government of India. Most of these apps does not seem very important, but some of these apps are very widely used by the people for their work. So let's see what can be the alternative for these apps. First of all, Shareit and Xender. Shareit and Xender are very widely used app by the people of India for file transfer. Perfect alternative for these apps can be Files by Google and GeoSwitch. Files by Google is a file management app for file browsing, media consumption, storage cleanup, and offline file transfer. This can be the most suitable alternative of Shareit and Xender. Another alternative is GeoSwitch, which is launched by Reliance Jio. Next, Baidu Map. The best alternative of Baidu Map can be Google Map. We all have Google Map in our phones. Next, Shein, Club Factory and other online shopping apps. The best alternative for these apps can be Amazon, Myntra and Ajio. Next, Newsdog, UC Browser, QQ, Newsfeed. The best alternative for these apps can be Google News, Newspoint and Daily Hunt. The next one is QQ Mail and Mailmaster. The best alternative for these apps, Gmail. Gmail is an email service app developed by Google. QQ Music. The alternative for this app can be Gaana, Sawan, Wink Music. Next is Viva Video. KineMaster and InShot can be alternative for this app. Baidu Translate. Google Translate can be used as an alternative for this app. The next and very important, UC Browser, CM Browser, APUS Browser and DU Browser. The alternative of these apps can be Chrome, Firefox and Geo Browser. And a very important app named Camscanner. The alternative of this app can be Adobe Scanner or MS Office Lens. And the last, which is not required I think, is TikTok, Likee, Vigo and VMate. So Mitro and Chingari, which are made in India apps, can be used as an alternative of these apps. Hope you guys liked the video. Share it to others and subscribe the channel.